Hi, this is Mike with atomymasters.com. In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can order Atomy products on Atomy's website. In order to buy products from Atomy, you need your own account and be referred by someone already in Atomy. So if you don't have an account already, please talk to the person that recommended you and ask them about joining Atomy. If you don't know anyone in Atomy, I made it really easy for you to join our Atomy Masters group by simply going to atomymasters.com and clicking Join Atomy. If you join either someone in our group or directly on our site, we have made it really easy for you to share Atomy with others simply by giving people your ID number .lovesatomy.com. We also have a welcome packet, training guides, tools, and other resources to help those in our group be more successful with Atomy. For this tutorial, I will use the Atomy USA website, but if you're from another country, you can still follow along since all the websites use the same format. Once you have received your Atomy ID and password, the first step is to get into the Atomy website. In your browser's address bar, type www.atomy.com/US and press enter. Click on Login and type your ID number and password. Then click Login. Click on the Shopping Mall tab. The first thing you will see are categories as in Hemohem, Healthcare, Beauty, Personal Care, Home Care, and Food. By hovering over this bar, you will see the products. I won't click on the items yet, but instead move down the screen and show you the listing of the items. As you can see in the listing, there are 4 boxes of Hemohem at $3.52, which means each one would cost $88. If you look through this list, you will see a mix of products that are offered in bundles of different quantity. You will also see the PV, or point value, which is how Atomy records on your account the value of what you buy. This PV is the same amount in all the countries, and since Atomy started in Korea, and in the Korean currency, $1,000 is $1 US, so here 100,000 PV is like being 100 points. Really quick, the marketing plan is that once you purchase 10,000 PV of product, which is 1 shampoo, you can earn commission each time you accumulate 300,000 PV under your 2 groups. This is what we call your left and right group. As you buy more products over time, your personal PV grows and those in your groups grow, and you earn more commission. You can visit the opportunity page on our atomymasters.com website for more information. If you want to see the price of a single product, then click on the Agent tab. Some of the products are sold in multiple sets, giving you an even lower total price. You can see the products that are sold in 2 sets by clicking on the Special Agents tab, 3 sets by clicking on the Dealer tab, and 4 sets for the best savings by clicking on the Exclusive Distributor tab. You don't need to be at any certain level to purchase these sets to save more on the products you need. Let me show you an example for your first order. Let's say you want fabric detergent, dish detergent, toothpaste, toothbrush, shampoo, body cleanser, and the evening cleansing set. Hover over the category bar and select Home Care. The choice of liquid or powdered detergent. Both are great and eco-friendly. The liquid is good for 66 medium loads, while the powder can do 133 medium loads. Click on the one that says fabric detergent to read more about it. Yes, this looks like a great product, so we can click on the Shopping Cart button to add the item to the cart. Notice our cart over here, and the product is in it. Now click on the back browser button because we need the dish detergent also. Click on the Add to Cart button and click OK on the pop-up. Go back up to the category bar and click on Oral Care to get a listing of all the toothbrushes and toothpaste. You can see that a box of 8 toothbrushes is only $9 and the small toothpaste are only $5.30 for 4. First order, I recommend getting the Oral Care system, which is the toothbrush, small toothpaste, and dental pick in a very nice travel case. Click on Add to Cart and click OK. Also add a small box of toothpaste for only $5.30. Now I need the shampoo and body cleanser, so again I hover over the category bar and click on Hair and Body. I only want to see items sold as singles, so I'll click on Agent. Add the cart button for both of those items. Let me get the evening care 4 set. This time, I will click on it in the category list and then click Agent. You can see that each product is sold separately, but I'll buy the complete set. Oh, while I'm at it, I'll get the vitamin C and coffee to save on shipping. This vitamin C is a full 90-day supply for only $19. The coffee is only $16.50 for 80 packets, which makes it 21 cents per packet. Wow, there's so many other great products. And this is our first order, and you can see that people can go wild over all these wonderful products. Just wait until you start trying them for yourself and see the results. Okay, we are good for today. So now let me go to the shopping cart by either clicking on the link up here or on the sidebar over here. Here we can adjust the quantity and save the change by clicking Edit. We can also delete an item from here by clicking Delete. Now you can either check the items we really want or simply press the Order All Items button down here to be taken to the checkout screen. At the checkout screen, we have the opportunity again to make any changes. Now we are ready to check out and enter our customer information. The first option is sales date, and this is to select which date the PV will count on. You can just keep it to what it defaults to. Once you understand how the points work, and if you order under another member ID, you could use this to your advantage to maximize your commissions. This selection has nothing to do with your order ship date. Verify your address and email address, and check the box if you want to receive a confirmation email. In the sender field, you can enter a name of the person placing the order, which is more than likely you, and so you don't need to enter anything here. Some people will order under another ID number to maximize their commissions. For the shipping information, if the products are going to the same address as above, click that option. If not, enter in who and where you want to ship to. A home phone number must be entered. If there are any special instructions for UPS, you can enter them in the remarks field. Now press continue. Verify the information and complete the payment option you would like to use, and then check the yes, you agree box and press checkout now. Congratulations, you have placed your first order and you're on your way to better health, better skin, and a better life with Atomy.